day everyone, I am Laika Jean Cahonado and our topic is the technical study, and I'm going to discuss the last part of technical study, which are the floor plan, utilities requirement, waste management disposal, and system and forms design. When we say floor plan, it is the drawing or layout which shows the arrangement of the equipments and facilities in every building in manufacturing, including the office building. For example, here in the picture, it shows the example of a small bakery floor plan which shows the placement or the location of each area. For example, in the oven, in the meeting room, in the packaging room, or in the break room. And also here is the other example of a floor plan. This picture shows the perspective view and also the perspective view of each area. For example, in the baking, in the meeting room, or in the packaging room. Also, take note that this floor plan is very important and has a big part in technical study because it provides a detailed visual representation of the physical layout in facility, ensuring efficient space utilization and also the workflow. Next is the utilities requirement. When we say utilities requirement, it is the enumeration of all the utilities that will be used in the operation of the plants such as water, electricity, rent, internet, transportation of raw materials, products, and personnel to or from the plant site. So, for example, the utilities requirement that they put just like in this photo or in this paper is, for example, the rent, water, electricity, internet, and gas, and of course, its estimated cost. For example, the cost of the rent per month is, for example, 5,000, for the water 1,000, for the electricity 1,000, for the internet 500, and for the gas is 1,000 for the total of 8,500. Here in utilities requirement, it's also important for you that you know how to identify the necessary utilities because in that way, it helps you determine the availability and reliability of these utilities in the chosen location. And also, it helps you estimate the operational cost, for example, for the water or for the electricity. And the most important is it helps you determine the capacity and types of equipments needed based on the utilities availability. Next is waste disposal. When we say waste disposal, it is a detailed description of a amount of processed waste products before it is safely disposed of, including the equipment to be used and also the materials to be used for the disposal. It also includes the waste disposal cost, which will be included in the operational cost and also in the requirement as fixed capital. So, in waste disposal system, for example here, in order to maintain a clean inside the office, 2 trash cans will be provided inside and outside of the store. For example, here in the table, here are the materials needed, its quantity, and of course, its cost. For example, for the broom, 1 piece 80 pesos. For the trash can, 1 piece 150 pesos. For the dustpan, 1 piece 50 pesos. For the total of 280 pesos. In this part, it is important that you know what are the materials that you need, its quantity, and of course, its cost. Also, this paragraph below, you can add this in your waste disposal plan. The trash cans were collected every day to maintain cleanliness and thrown into the landfill for the waste collector to pick up. Composting organic waste such as fruit peels and vegetable scraps can significantly reduce landfill waste. Non-biodegradable and biodegradable waste should be properly disposed of in compliance with local regulations. Ensuring appropriate waste separation and disposal requires staff to have a proper training using reusable and sustainable servingware to reduce single-use plastic waste. properly manage any hazardous materials used in the store, and stay compliant with the local waste management regulation. A waste management plan for the business is important for sustainability and environmental responsibility because, for example, your first step there is to conduct a waste assessment to categorize types of waste and its quantity, such as organic, biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and hazardous. Source reduction strategies should be in place, including buying materials in bulk to reduce waste and practicing proper portion control to minimize food waste. Recycling bins and trash cans should be readily available for the customers and staff to encourage recycling of the materials. Next is the system and forms design. In this topic, it describes the system of procurement of raw materials, inventory system, production system, transporting of goods system, warehousing system, personal monitoring system, quality assurance system with the corresponding forms and documents such as inventory checklist and inventory requests. Systems and form design in technical study ensures a standardized processes, efficiency data management, and regulatory compliance. It also helps streamline operations by providing structured workflows for production, inventory, and also in quality control. A well-designed forms enable accurate data collection, aiding decision-making and performance monitoring. Additionally, it also supports scalability, allowing the business to expand efficiently without major system overhauls. Next is the quality control system. This quality control system is also essential to put in your feasibility study. So here is the example. First, the business owners will arrange the cooking procedures precisely and make sure that our ingredients are always fresh. Next, they will maintain or guarantee a clean and hygienic process of our product for health security. They will not only focus on the products but also for the quality of our service. They will make sure that they will serve their customers right away and the delivery service is not delayed. In addition, to improve the quality, they will conduct monthly survey to observe their product and the performance of your business to identify the problem and for the continuous improvement of the quality of product and the services. Including quality control system in feasibility study is essential to ensure that the project meets the standard, minimize the risk, and also it identifies the potential issue early. It also helps improve efficiency and reduce cost and ensures the project's success. Overall, the technical study is an important component of feasibility study because it determines whether a business or a project is technically viable by evaluating the resources, processes, and technologies needed for successful implementation. That's all for my topic. Thank you for listening.